In this video, I will show you how to transfer a Google Ads campaign to another account. So if you have a campaign in your current Google Ads account that you would like to transfer to a different one, it's actually really simple to do. And in order to do it, just open up the Google Ads account that it is currently on, then go to Campaigns, and under Campaigns, click Campaigns. Here you will find all of your campaigns. Now just go and tick all the boxes for the campaigns that you want to transfer to the other account. And from there, click on Edit. And then here, just gonna click on Copy. Now I only have one account, but you can now see one campaign copied. Paste using the Edit menu or by clicking the clipboard icon in the table tool belt. So now what you want to gonna do is just open up the account that you want to import it into or transfer it over to, and also go to Campaigns. And then from there, you can then see paste right there. So it says paste content. Or what you can also do is just paste it how you would usually paste text. So Command V on Apple. I'm not sure if it's different on Windows, but you can see then it will show paste one campaign into one account. And then you can pause new campaigns after pasting, adjust start and end dates if you want. And then when you click paste, you will see it is then pasting or importing the campaigns into this account. Now in this case, it's the same one, but it also works on a new account or a different account. So now you know how to transfer a Google Ads campaign to another account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.